FCS agent here in Round County. Today I'm going to prepare the chicken Caesar pasta salad. To begin with, we boiled pasta according to the package directions, rinsed in cold water, and drained dry. Second of all, we heated oil in a medium saute pan at medium heat and cooked our 2 boneless chicken breasts until they reached the degrees of 165. Once the chicken cooled, I cut it into bite-sized pieces. In a large mixing bowl, I will mix the pasta, the chicken, the croutons, the lettuce, and Parmesan cheese. Once I toss the salad, I will start my homemade dressing. Now I'll combine my salad. I'll take my 4 cups of romaine lettuce, my 8 ounces of drained dry pasta, 2 chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of croutons, a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and toss. Next, we'll take 1½ tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I will then add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and whisk. Once that is blended well, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 cup of low-fat mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. This will make your fresh Caesar salad dressing. Our next step is to streusel your homemade Caesar dressing over your fresh salad. And toss. The dressing makes about 1.5 cups of dressing, so it should make a great covering for all the salad. When you get ready to serve, you can put some fresh ground pepper. This is an excellent salad or main dish that you can use for either a main dish at lunch or a side salad for dinner. Don't forget to stop by your local extension office and pick up your free SNAP calendar this year. Thank you.